Data type: floating point integers. Python keyword: float. Explanation: this is a subset of integers. This data type is depicted by numbers with decimal values. Operations supported are the same as integers, just that in this value there are decimal points to take into consideration. Examples: print 5.0 plus 5.00, print 1,000,000 plus 1.0, 1234.56, 13.2423, 2020.0001. Data type: Boolean. Python keyword: bool. Explanation: a Boolean value may be one of two predefined values in Python, true or false. They have a predefined syntax that cannot be changed. In Python, the Boolean value of true is equal to 1 and the Boolean value of false is equal to 0. In numerical representation, true is equal to 1 and false is equal to 0. Boolean values are very rarely used as a standalone value in programming. This data type is used in conjunction with other features of Python and exists to grant more functionality to the Python programming language, as we will see in the future tutorials. Examples: true 1, false 0. Conclusion: well done. We have successfully learnt about the basics that the Python programming language has to offer. I would like to mention that when you hear the term syntax in programming, it simply refers to the specific language and word structure of the programming language. As with our introduction, we have used Python syntax to write our first program. We have learnt about the print function and have been introduced to important data types in Python programming language. As with any avenue in life, the only way to sharpen a skill is to practice it regularly. I will create simple exercises for you to work through to test your takeaways of this tutorial. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I do hope that you have learned new concepts about the Python programming language. Thank you.